the division of monomials. Okay, so first, we need to explore the given examples. Okay, let's answer this. 5 divided by 5? 1. How about negative 4 divided by negative 4? Positive 1 pa rin. How about a squared divided by a squared? Positive 1 pa rin. Bakit po kaya positive 1? Let's answer this. What can you say about its dividend and divisor? Parehas. Ganun din po ba ito? Ito po ba? Okay, second question. What have you noticed in the quotients of the given integers? Anong sagot natin dito? Ito? Ito? Okay, let's summarize the given. What can you say if the dividend or the numerator and the divisor or the denominator, if they are the same? The answer is always 1. So meaning kahit anong haba niyan, kung parehas na parehas, walang labis, walang kulang, ang sagot ay laging 1. Okay, so this time, let's explore the given example. X raised to 5 divided by x cubed. So same procedure to get the answer. First step, we need to expand the given expression. Okay, so sulat natin si x how many times? 5. Okay, 5 times. Then ganun din si x cubed, sulat ng 3 times. Then after that, dito sa division, apply cancellation if necessary. Pwede na tayo dito mag-cancel, anak. Ng common factors lang, ha? May common factors po ba? Yes, we have. First, cancel. Second, may ka-cancel pa ba? Wala na, kasi wala na pong natira sa denominator. Ilang x yung natira sa numerator? Okay, anong tawag dyan? Combined factors. Pinagsama na yung mga natira. Then after that, identify mo yung combined factors mo kung parehas, i-combine yung exponent. Kung magkaiba, as is. Iyon na yung sagot. Do they have the same base? Yes. If yes, copy the base. Then, ilan yung x? Okay, therefore, this is the exponential notation. X paired. And that is the answer for that equation. So, meaning, x raised to 5 divided by x cubed is equal to x squared. Okay, answer this question. Do the expression have the same base? Yes. What is the base? X. Second question. What happened to the exponent? Anong ginawa? Yes, minus. Diba? Tingnan natin. 5 minus 3. That is the answer. Kung kanina sa multiplication, anong operation sa exponent? Ina-add natin. This time, nagma-minus tayo. So, just copy the base and subtract the exponent.